Well, I know where you're coming from. All right, cement truck, I see you. That's awesome. The cement truck that you just saw passing was just here, and he got all the cement poured. I think all the cement is poured for the footings. As I drive down our driveway, I keep finding things like this, and I know exactly who is doing it, who made that little rock chair. It's our mudder. We've had the same guy do our mudding on the last many projects, and I think he is so funny. I also know who did this, and I know how proud Joel is of this little trailer that he has. I can't remember how he came across the money for that. It was like, there was something specific that he earned a certain amount of money, and he's like, I am buying the trailer for my four-wheeler. We don't have our well functioning yet. I mean, the well functions, but like the water system. So we have to fill these barrels, and you know, I can promise you Joel's not mad about it. Like this is play to him. He just fills up the water so that the brickers have the water they need. Hey, what is this? What's that?
Water storage tank.
Oh, why did I think it was going to be like buried in the ground?
Well, it will be.
Oh, they're going to bury that? Oh, because they put dirt on top of it.
Well, the walls have got to come up to like right here.
Okay, got it. I am so sorry. I was almost in tears the other day because I said, Joel, I don't get it. I said, I don't get it. This is on the ground, but yet there's a, what is it called? Retaining wall that comes up 7 feet. I'm like, so where do you put the slab? And he's like, on top. And I said, on top of what? And it took us both a minute to realize what I was missing was the walls, you know, the foundation walls. And then once those walls are in, then they fill it with dirt, and then you put the slab on top. Okay. It just took me a hot minute, and I was so frustrated. I was so mad that I didn't understand. I'm like, is it gonna, like, that sounds like it's gonna be floating. No, Joel's out here by himself on the daily, and all of a sudden today we've got our roofers, we've got our foundation walls coming down the drive at the same time as our front door, at the same time as all of our mudders and our brickers. So it's a hopping day here at the Hoellein 13. Tell me what you're oogling at. Joel's over here oogling.
These are Zert fittings, so you have to actually grease these hinges. So this thing will never be squeaky. That's so nice.
He's like, this is the same kind that's on my tractor. He's like, these are so nice.
Yeah, those are incredible.
So here's a sneak peek of the front door.
When Vaughn told me we were first going to buy this door, I thought,
like the price on it was
are
high.
we just paying for a fad? Like, that's outrageous. No, when you see it, and having worked in a steel fab shop, like, I'm surprised they could let it go for that price, to be honest.
Yeah, I told Joel, I was like, the price is very good, and these doors are insane. Okay, Olivia really wants to show you the size to scale. Look at the beefy handle. Oh, I'm so excited. And I designed the door. So I completely forgot to tell you this. Okay, so I looked at a whole bunch of door metal fabricators because I wanted a custom door. I drew out exactly what I wanted, and I sent him a picture, and I said, can you make this door? And so I actually came up with exactly what I wanted, and we went back and forth on the handle. So at first it was like this whole thing was down here touching, and I didn't like the way it looked. And then we put it all the way to the top. I didn't like the way it looked. And so then I was like, let's just center it right here in the middle of the glass pane. And I'm in love. I am actually in love. He was super easy to work with. Josh is who owns the company. It's Atlas Design Door. Let's see, it's on their shirt. Joel actually asked them for a shirt. So if you're looking for any type of door, like iron door, I'll put their information in the description below. He was telling me that he does gates, or he's done a bunch of gates before. So I'm like, well, you know, you might be doing my door or my gates next. Okay, here's the one panel, and that'll go right here like he was saying. The door will go right here in the center, and I think they're unloading the panel that goes right here. Holy cow. I mean, it's freaking awesome. I was gonna say, not Olivia picking up after all of them. I bet they appreciate that. Look with the front door in. Is it completely ridiculous that I'm like, I don't see a difference? Obviously I do, but it's clear. So, you know, I feel like if it was a closed door, you'd see a bigger difference. So there's 3 sections that you saw them put in, and I didn't know this, but they actually weld them together, and that's what they were doing earlier. Everybody has left. It's very quiet here now. We've got the door taped up because we don't want any issues with it. So we've got it all taped up. We don't have glass in it yet because we don't want the glass to break. And so that will come at a later time. So for now, here's where we're ending it. And I cannot wait to see the glass.